LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Fairground Carousel 31095 Building Kit In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 662 ratings and 72 reviews. 94% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said kids love this stuff. Parents too. It's LEGO, and you know you're getting quality and a well-thought-out product. Some sets can take quite some time to assemble, but that's what makes it so much fun. You get to watch it all come together, and the details are always amazing. The sets can get pricey, but when you're buying this type of quality toy, you have to expect that. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Amazon shipped the set naked. Legos are fine. This set is big and interesting and surely deserves 5 stars. However, for some reason this time Amazon Prime decided it would be a good idea to just slap a bunch of labels onto the box and send it as is. After getting banged up through shipping, the box was unceremoniously left in full view of everyone who entered my apartment complex today. Whether you're a collector buying this for yourself, or you're buying it as a gift for someone else, this is disappointing. I hope the recipient is understanding when they open this up on Christmas morning. That's it.